Greetings to all of you. We are glad to have you back, the T&H Podcast. I am Hannah.
And I'm Thomas.
Thomas, I have to ask, how did your morning go today? What was your morning like?
My morning. Oh, wow, Hannah. It was a bit hectic, to be honest. I woke up behind schedule, I got up late, spilled my coffee, and I very nearly missed the bus.
You woke up late? That is unfortunate, Thomas. That is not a good way to start at all. It sounds incredibly stressful. Are you feeling all right now?
Yes, I am doing perfectly fine now, Hannah. I managed to get here, so everything is good. How about you, Hannah? How was your morning?
Oh, was is an excellent word. My morning was actually quite relaxed. I prepared some pancakes and caught up on the news. It was nothing as wild as your morning, Thomas.
Pancakes? That sounds delicious. That definitely beats having to run after a bus. But hold on, Hannah. Did you observe something?
Observe what, Thomas?
We were just discussing our mornings, but it is already the afternoon. That implies we were speaking about the past. The past, Hannah.
Ah, the past. You are correct, and that is ideal, truly ideal, because our session today is focused entirely on how to discuss the past in English.
Precisely. Referring to the past is incredibly helpful. We utilize it constantly, such as when we recount a story or describe our activities from yesterday.
Or when we inform our friends about an enjoyable weekend, or simply mention what we had for our midday meal.
Correct. So today we are going to assist you, our fantastic listeners, in learning how to talk about the past one step at a time, slowly, kindly, and without any pressure.
We will examine was and were, which are the past versions of the verb to be, along with various regular and irregular verbs. Rest assured, we have plenty of entertaining and practical examples. Are you prepared, Thomas?
I have been ready since the start. I'm always prepared, Hannah.
I love that. Okay, everyone, get comfortable, take a deep breath, and let us explore English together. Hey, before we jump into the main lesson, let's do a mini story, a tiny story just to warm up a bit.
Yeah, good idea, Hannah. This will help you see how the simple past works in real life, real everyday English.
Okay, so when do we use it? The simple past is for things that already happened, things that are finished, like yesterday, last night, last week, all in the past.
Exactly. For example, yesterday I woke up late, very late.
Woke up. Perfect. That's past tense. Nice one, Thomas.
Then I cooked breakfast, fried eggs. Yum, yum.
Cooked breakfast. Yes, another past action. Love it, Thomas.
After that, I walked to the park with my dog. Just a slow, relaxing walk.
Walked to the park. Great. Another simple past verb. You start to see the pattern, right?
Thanks, Hannah. And in the evening, I watched a movie and ate popcorn. A perfect combo.
Watched a movie and ate popcorn. Yep, all past tense. Super easy, right? Fun and simple.
So, when you talk about something that already happened, your day, yesterday, last weekend, you use the simple past tense.
Exactly. And listeners, follow along with us step by step. We'll take it slow, we'll take it easy.
At the end, we'll share a full story about yesterday. You can listen, repeat, and then try using it in your own life.
Simple sentences, small steps, and soon you'll be speaking about the past smoothly and naturally. All right. Let's start with something super important. The past version of the verb to be. Very simple, but very powerful.
Yeah, you probably already know am, is, and are. Right, Hannah? Right, everyone?
Right. Those are for the present. But what do they change to in the past?
Let's see. Am and is become was.
Was, exactly. Are becomes were.
Nice. So, for example, if I say I am
Was
happy, in the
happy.
past, I say
Super
I
easy,
was
right?
happy.
Totally. Let's do another one. How about it is sunny?
Oh, in the past, it was sunny.
Was sunny. Perfect. That's a sentence I say a lot, Hannah.
Me too. Yesterday was so nice. It was sunny and I was happy.
Sunny and happy. The perfect combo, Hannah.
Totally. Now let's try are. So you are here becomes
You were here, like you were here yesterday.
exactly. And we can also say we are tired to we were tired.
Were tired. That's me after every long day.
Same here, Thomas, especially after recording days.
Right, but let's slow it down. Slow, slow, slow. And go over them one more time just to be super clear.
Good idea. Okay, listeners, repeat after us. Ready?
I am becomes I was.
He is becomes he was.
She is becomes she was.
It is becomes it was.
You are becomes you were.
We are becomes we were.
They are becomes they were. Whew, that's it. You guys are doing great. Keep going.
Yeah, and remember, we use these when we talk about the past.
Like, I was at the park yesterday.
Or they were at school last week.
Or it was cold last night.
We were tired after work.
She was excited on her birthday.
So many real examples.
All real life stuff. You can use these anywhere, at work, at school, or just chatting with friends.
Totally easy, natural, and super useful. And of course, everything we just said already happened in the past.
All right, big breath, everyone. Ready for the next step?
Yep, we're moving on to past verbs.
Ooh, yeah, let's do it.
All right, welcome back, everyone. Now that we know how to use was and were, it's time to talk about regular and irregular verbs. Here we go.
Ooh, this is the fun part. These are the verbs that show actions in the past. Things you did already.
Exactly. Let's start with regular verbs. These are the easy ones, super easy.
Right. For regular verbs, we just add ed at the end. That's it, just ed.
So simple, right? For example, walk becomes
Walked, like yesterday I walked to the park. Easy.
perfect. Or cook becomes cooked. I cooked pasta last night. So good.
Yum, pasta again. Hannah, you always cook pasta.
Guilty. It's my favorite. Okay, clean becomes cleaned.
We cleaned the house on Sunday. That's a good one.
Ugh, cleaning. Not my favorite, but very, very useful to say.
Yeah, same. So again, regular verbs are super easy. Just add ed. Done.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. But here comes the tricky part.
Uh-oh. You mean irregular verbs?
Yep. These little guys don't follow the ED rule. Nope. You just have to remember them.
Don't worry though. We'll help you learn the most common ones today. Ready, Hannah?
Let's do it. Okay, first one. Go becomes
Went, like I went to the park yesterday.
nice. Next, eat becomes ate. She ate a big sandwich. Yum yum.
Now I'm hungry, Hannah. Okay, drink.
Drink. He drank a glass of water. Simple and healthy.
Love that. See?
Saw. We saw a movie last night. It was so funny.
Love that one. Take?
Took. They took a photo at the beach. Great memory.
Have. Super common, it becomes had.
Had. I had a great day. I say that a lot, Thomas.
Me too. Okay. Buy.
Bought. She bought a new phone. So exciting.
Come?
Came. He came to the party. Yay!
Oh, wait. One more special one. Read.
Ah, yes. This one looks the same but sounds different. It's read, R-E-A-D, in the present and read, R-E-D, in the past. The past sounds like the color red.
So cool, right? I read a book yesterday. Like the color. Cool, right? Do you know any other English words that are tricky like this? Share them below.
A little tricky, but you'll get it with practice. Here's a fun tip. Always learn verbs with example sentences.
Great tip, Hannah. Let's do a few together. One in the present, one in the past. Ready?
Ready. I go to school becomes yesterday I went to school.
I eat pizza. I ate pizza last night. My favorite.
They take the bus. They took the bus yesterday.
We drink juice. We drank juice in the morning.
She sees a cat. She saw a cat yesterday. Cute.
And one more. I read every night becomes last night I read a story. Remember, it sounds like read.
Awesome. If you're repeating with us, give yourself a big high five. You're learning so fast.
Yeah, these verbs are super common in real life. You'll hear them everywhere.
When you talk about your weekend, your vacation, your day, these verbs are your best friends.
Exactly. Use them when chatting with friends, writing messages, or telling stories.
The more you use them, the easier they get. Practice a little every day.
All right. Coming up next, we'll use all of these in a short story about yesterday.
Ooh, I love story time. It's going to be fun, so don't go anywhere.
Stay tuned, everyone. Let's dash into English together. Okay, it's story time. Do you want to go first? I've been dying to hear if your relaxed morning stayed that way, Hannah. Tell us, what did you do yesterday?
Ooh, yes. All right. Yesterday was really nice. Like really, really nice. The weather was warm and sunny, perfect for going outside.
Warm and sunny. Oh, wow, Hannah, that sounds amazing.
It really was, Thomas. So in the morning, I woke up early, around 7 a.m. Then I made a big breakfast. Eggs, toast, and coffee. Delicious. After that, I went to the park with my friends.
Woke up, made, went. Wow, Hannah, you were busy. What did you do at the park?
We walked around, played games, and took so many pictures. Everyone was laughing and smiling the whole time. The sun was shining. It was perfect.
That sounds like such a happy day, Hannah. What about the evening?
The evening was more relaxing. I stayed home, read a book, and watched the movie. I was tired, so I needed to rest.
Same here. Sometimes lazy days are the best, Hannah.
Totally. All right, Thomas, what about you? How was your day yesterday?
Well, my day was a little different. In the morning, the weather was cold and rainy.
Oh, cold and rainy. Oh no, Thomas. I don't like that kind of weather at all.
Yeah, me neither. So I stayed inside most of the day. I cleaned my room, cooked some soup, and watched TV. Not very exciting.
Hey, Thomas. That still sounds nice. Soup and TV. Cozy vibes.
True. I made chicken soup and it was so good. Perfect for a rainy day.
Yum. Now I'm hungry again. What about later in the day?
Oh, in the afternoon, the weather got better. It was sunny again. Yay! So I went hiking with my brother.
Hiking. Ugh, that sounds fun. Where did you go? Was it hard?
A little hard, yeah. We climbed a small hill and saw the sunset from the top. The sky was orange and pink. It was beautiful.
Ah, saw the sunset. I love that. What a peaceful moment, Thomas.
Yeah, it was amazing. And see, we just used was, were, ed verbs, and irregular verbs to tell real stories.
Exactly. And guess what, listeners? You can do that too. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just try to say a few simple things about your day yesterday.
Yeah, even if you make a mistake, it's okay. That's how we learn, step by step. So now we challenge you. After this episode, try telling someone what you did yesterday. Just a few sentences.
You've got this. Remember, practice makes progress.
All right, don't go anywhere because up next we've got a fun little quiz to test what you remember.
Ooh, a quiz. I love quizzes. Let's go. All right, everyone. Welcome back to the T&H Podcast. It's review time. Let's wrap up everything we learned today nice and smooth.
Yeah. First, we talked about the verb to be in the past. Remember, am and is turn into was, and are becomes were. So we say things like, I was tired, or they were at the cafe.
Perfect. Then we jumped into regular verbs, the super friendly ones. Just add ed and boom, past tense.
Exactly. Like walk becomes walked. Cook becomes cooked. Watch becomes watched. Super easy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And then the dramatic moment, irregular verbs.
Yeah, these guys don't follow any rules, but we practiced the most common ones. Remember,
Go becomes went.
eat becomes ate.
Drink becomes drink.
Take becomes took.
See becomes saw.
Have becomes had.
Come becomes came.
And the special one, read becomes read, but it sounds like the color red.
Woo, you nailed it. High five, everyone.
Great job! Now it's your turn. Try talking about your own day using the past tense.
You can start with super simple questions like, what did you do yesterday? Or where did you go last weekend? Or my favorite question, what did you eat for dinner last night? Always about food.
Same. And remember, you don't have to be perfect, just try. Practice makes progress.
Exactly. Say it out loud. Write it down. Record your voice. Anything works. You're doing great.
Oh, and don't forget to download the free worksheet in the description. It has all the verbs we used today, plus some extra practice.
Yes, and before we go, we've got a fun little challenge for you. I love challenges. All right, everyone, let's try this together.
In the comments, answer this question. What did you do yesterday? Just a few simple sentences like, I went to the park, I ate pizza, I had fun. Easy, right?
Super easy. Don't be shy. We love reading your answers.
And hey, mistakes are totally okay. That's how we learn, step by step.
Exactly. The more you practice, the faster you grow.
If you had fun, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the T&H Podcast. You'll make our day and help more learners too.
All right, everyone. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep going with the T&H Podcast.
See you next time. Bye-bye.